Hi, hope you are well and safe. In this video tutorial, I will show how to live stream your Zoom meetings to YouTube, add some engagement functionality such as Q&A, open chats and polls in Slido, and then put it all to Brella. There are multiple options on how you can stream your content, be it live stream or video on demand. However, this specific option is rather simple to implement because Zoom has a functionality to live stream directly to YouTube without any other software. Slido is rather easy to use too, and then in the end it will be rather easygoing experience for the attendees in Brella, and it will also look rather appealing. So let's get it started. First of all, what you need to do is to check that your Zoom account has the correct settings enabled. You would need to go to your Zoom account, then under the admin panel you would need to go to the account management, then to account settings, and among many settings there you would need to find the live streaming settings. You would need to allow that. As you can see, you can stream to Facebook, to Workplace by Facebook, to YouTube, and you can also enable custom streaming to any other live streaming service. Once this is done, you can go ahead and start your meeting. As you can see here, I have already scheduled my meeting. Important note to make here is that you need to be the host in order to be able to live stream meetings. So normal attendees cannot do that. So let's go ahead and start the meeting. I will run it in the Zoom app. And here it is. I'll mute myself and also not show the video for now. But let's imagine that I already have all the participants here, more than just me, and I want to start streaming that to YouTube. So you need to go to this More tab on the bottom of the page and press Live on YouTube. In order to be able to stream your Zoom meeting to YouTube, you need to have an active YouTube account. So here you can see that I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, you can change your Zoom meeting title on YouTube, how it will be shown. Here I have it, Brella Showcase. And then you can choose what kind of privacy settings you want. There is three options: public, unlisted, or private. Public means that it will be just as any other video on YouTube, so anyone can find it, and it will be shown in some recommendations and so on. Unlisted means that anyone with the URL can access it, so no one can find it just that easily, but if you provide them the URL, they can easily access it. And private means that no one can access it, only you have the rights to watch this video. So in this case, the easiest option, the most suitable option is to choose the unlisted privacy settings. And it can go live now. It will take a moment to prepare this live stream, but once it's done, we can check that everything is working correctly and then embed it to Slido. Here it is. As you can see, it's going well. It has unlisted privacy level, and if people start speaking, they will be shown on the screen. They will have their video and audio source going. What we can do now is to embed it to Slido. For that, you would need to go to this share button under the video. You need to press it and then press embed. You would need to get the code completely and press copy, and then we can go to Slido. In Slido, you can create your events. Here I already have created one event called Brella Virtual Engagement. In order to add the live stream to your Slido event, you can go to settings here, then to integrations, and then to live video. You can enable that and paste the video here into the embedded code. You can then save it. You can add different, you can moderate Q&A, you can add different polls and more. You can also customize how your event will look, how it will look for the participant as well. You can also add materials that can be shared to your attendees, and so on. So once your event in Slido is done, you can go again to settings and copy the event link. Once it's copied, we can go to the Brella event. Here I have this Brella test event, and we would need to enable the virtual event functionality. We don't need to worry about meeting slots, but we want to have the live tab in the main menu. We can add the stream link. Stream link, let's say we will call it stage A. So it's stage A, we have this Slido event going on. I'll copy paste the event link and then I'll save. And after this, we can go ahead and check that in the test event. As you can see, we have now this stream tab, we have this stage A, and here it is. We have the live stream going on here. As you can see, this live indicator shows that it's live now. In Slido, we have this Q&A section as an attendee. If there is a new poll that hasn't been answered yet, it will show this purple or any other color sign. Then people can go ahead and take part in the polls. Also, the materials that you have added here in the Slido settings will appear here. And that's basically it. This is just one of the options on how to embed the Zoom meeting to YouTube and live stream it to YouTube, add the engagement functionality via Slido, and then have it all working in Brella. There is also multiple other options which would be interesting to try and explore. Have a great day and stay safe.